Let's find out how to create this classic clone effect. Record yourself standing in the middle of the frame. Now take a video of yourself walking into the frame from the left and right. Be careful not to overlap the fingers because we'll be masking them. Download InShot on the App Store or Google Play Store. Import the first video into InShot. Tap PIP and import the second video. Press autofill to fit to screen. Tap mask. Select the linear mask and adjust the mask and feathering tool to blend out the edges. Press PIP to add the third video and repeat the steps. To get something like this. Here are the final results.